Welcome to another how-to video. Welcome back to How to Fi. In this video, let me show you how you can easily delete Honor of Kings account. So let's begin by opening Honor of Kings account. In the Honor of Kings app, click Settings, which is located at the top right of your game screen. On the Settings tab, click Tools. While you are in the Tools tab, click Account Deletion. This process will continue if your account is offline, which means you have to close the app, or better, uninstall, since there is a time when even though the app is closed, it's still running. Click Continue if they ask for permission. You just have to fill out other forms before they cancel or delete your account. Just fill it in, and after that, the prompts for deletion will show up. Just click on Next, and that's it. That's how to delete an Honor of Kings account. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.